When do I need the cartridge for reversed waterways? As standard, the warm water connection is always on the left and the cold water on the right. Upon inspection, or even during installation, if you notice that this is not the case, you will need a reverse cartridge, which is available from accessories. If a thermostat with the cool touch function becomes warm, this is another indicator that the connections are mixed up. You only need the corresponding cartridge, as all other parts, such as the stop ring and handle, can be reused. Full exchange takes place in the exact same way as exchanging a normal one. To do so, remove the handle on the thermostat and take out the old cartridge. Then install the new cartridge. Make sure that this little nose matches the groove accordingly. To do so, insert the element and by slightly rotating and pressing, check in which position the cartridge is sitting perfectly and can no longer be rotated. Screw tight, turn on the water and check that everything is leak-proof. It is enough to tighten by hand here. Check the temperature again and, if necessary, recalibrate it to 38 degrees Celsius. The handle can now be mounted again. Done.